French service. Okay raman. Okay raman, no? Sorry. Oh. Sa tubangan man ta magluto.
Magtanaw-tanan ka kay kaisa si Sir Bob Demo. Okay, for French service, this is very elegant and expensive type of service in which you are not only paying for the foods, but of course for the service of the chef. This time, the waiter, ang waiter is not only a waiter but also a chef. Wa, kung ang American karon kay ang iyahang foods is naa sa kitchen, ihatod na lang siya. That's American, meaning plated na service. Pag may Russian is platter, okay, silver platter. Pag may karon of French is naka-geredon. Unsa ang geredon? This is a geredon service. So ang geredon karon ing ani iyahang arrangement. Meaning mga ma'am and sir, dili na mo muadto didtua. Okay? Naa na inyong gamit diri atanan. So during the resetting, dira ninyo i-reset. Okay? So ako lang gibutang daan para dili ko madugay. Okay? So mo ni siya na kay lutuanan dira naka-pre-cook, meaning na anay mga ingredients diri For example, mura kang nag-cooking show at tubangan sa guest. Okay? So, di na kamuad to sa kitchen na anak daraa. So, same gihapon. So, butang na to karon kay French naman. So, naiuban gisa pa wala naka-American service. Doron niyo na lang. American. Doron niyo. Russian. Isa pang wala naka-Russian service. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 na lang. Okay? Kaya na nato karon. Next is French. Kay next Saturday, French ng mutanan. Karon mag-demo ko, ang uban magpadayon og Russian, ang uban is mag-practice og French. Nagkasinabot okay?
Yes, sir.
So next Saturday, French mong tanan. Okay? Pagkahapon anak is morning lang ta French tanan, pagkahapon anak ay wine service pud ta tanan. Isa-isahon jud ta mo og wine service. Next Saturday, i-check na kung dapat ang inyong table daw na menu katong ikaduha. Sir, katong naa nay duha nga menu, nya wala na jud correction, dal-o na jud na ninyo siya permanente. Okay? And mag-resend mo kang Ma'am Abby og final menu tapos apelyido ninyo katong sariling gani kay para mo na siya among ipa-laminate. Okay? Meaning final, pero pag naapay correction, i-check pa nako karong Saturday. Nagkasinagot Okay.
Yes,
So sa French service, setup, this is the setup. Okay? Ang service same gihapon. Okay? Example, isa tong example na pod si kinsa man. Ikaw na lang, ay maminaw pod ka ha, kailan jud ka dara si
Ang doon.
ay kani kay maayo na. So same gihapon siya dito tadapit ma'am. So same lang man ang service tanan ang flow. So ang una is greet na to siya. Good afternoon ma'am, welcome to our restaurant. Are we expecting a reservation? I am portraying a receptionist this time. Receptionist ha? Are we expecting any reservation?
Yes.
Kaya sige mo yes. Okay, so,
Sa'yo.
may I suggest a table for you, ma'am? Is it a table for 2 or table for 1? Table for 1, smoking or non-smoking area? Okay, this way, ma'am. Okay, sunod ka ha. Is the table okay for your preference, ma'am? May I assist with you your seat? Are you comfortable, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, ma'am, may I call your waiter? Na, awag kasi mo okay na dito sa table number 3. Okay, so ito ka. Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Mr. Nuevo, your waiter for this morning. May I unfold your table napkins here na? Ha? Excuse me, ma'am, may I get your water? So, review gihapon nato ha, especially katong mga bago. Sa water, kanang gwapa po. Kung ha? Dili ka nagkayak bukat lang mo dito ah. Excuse me, ma'am, may I pour your cold water? 3/4. Excuse me, ma'am. So, after sa water, ang say next? Say next. List.
Beverage.
Fresh, okay? Right side, present. Excuse me, ma'am, I present to you our menu for the beverages. For our beverages, ma'am, we have the sparkling rose. We have also the blue lemonade. What would you like, ma'am? For blue lemonade. Okay, ma'am, I repeat. For your beverages, ma'am, you order blue lemonade. Excuse me, ma'am, I get the menu. For blue lemonade, since wala man siya juice dito nga setup, kung maka-observe mo ang setup na to kay cocktails and champagne. Check your beverages. List ninyo kung saan nga adaraan. Kinsay na ay cocktail? Raise your hands. So dapat kamo lang ang magutang ani. Ang walay cocktail ay magutang. Kinsay na ay champagne. So siya lang dapat ang na ay champagne. Okay, excuse me, ma'am. May I pass out your glasses? May I serve your blue lemonade, ma'am? Excuse me. So, imuhang i-serve ang blue
Lemonade.
Para maanad mo, kinahanglan na ajoy sulod. 3/4. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your blue lemonade. Enjoy, ma'am. Next is the bread. So, same pa din. Kung ano ninyo ang iyahang process. So, sa bread, kinahanglan bago mo adto dito akang ma'am, ready na ka sa imuhang spreader. Magkuan mo daan. Kinahanglan ang inyuhang bread is katanggap-tanggap sa hotel. Kung mag-chocolate na yun mo.
Star bread?
Kung mag-star bread yun. Isa star bread yun ha. Kung ha, ang sa'yo pwede.
Star bread.
Okay, pwede croissant. Say other.
Garlic bread.
Okay, garlic bread, Spanish bread, plain bread. Basta siya. Kung sa braso mango, dessert na nito siya. Paano nyo? So, dagan makait mga bread. Kaganina, I heard, kung ay, marag sa ganitong you have, marag si Ma'am Pamplona, yata to siya. Sa gitay mo ha, ma'am, our restaurants offer complimentary bread. We have 2 pandesal. Tama ko? So, meaning, duha iyang complimentary na. Nagets? Ang bread gani, again, reminders, kamo ang mag-set kung pila ka pieces. You will not ask for how many pieces. Okay? Next is, magdala mong spread. Butang na to karon is naatay. Ang croissant is na siya iyahang kuan. Na siya iyahang na ba spread ang croissant? Wala pa no? Wala. So, say pwede sa croissant. Pwede ang butter. Okay, croissant. Sunod is, we have this Spanish bread. Same. Pwede po ka nga sa Spanish bread is na apod kay butter. Pwede po ka karon nga strawberry na lang pa. Okay? Sige, strawberry jam. Except for the bread, dito ka mag-stand for sa, asa ka napit? Sa left.
Left.
Tama?
Yes.
So, left side. excuse me ma'am, our restaurants offers complimentary bread. We have croissant and we have Spanish bread. What bread would you like ma'am? Croissant. For our croissant ma'am, we only have only butter for your spread. Would you like the butter ma'am? Where would you like me to put the butter ma'am? On the bread, at the top of the bread. So naa kayo mo ang spread. Kanin mo. Enjoy your bread ma'am, excuse me. Okay, kuha lang pa ha, review lang pa. Basin o. After the bread, we will present the full menu. Okay? Then, prepare your order slip. Kinahanglan magdala na ka kay basin mag-order siya. Asa mag-present? Right side. Excuse me ma'am, I present to you our menu ma'am for your selection of your food ma'am. Would you like to take your order ma'am? Or would you like to review first the menu? Okay. May I now take your order ma'am? For your appetizer ma'am, what would you like? What would you like to suggest?
Crispy onion rings, sir.
Okay, onion rings.
For my soup, vegetable soup. And for my salad, sir, green salad.
For your main course ma'am, kaning main dish, ilis din ha. For your main course ma'am, we have chicken, we have also fish, and we have steak. What would you like ma'am?
Chicken, sir.
Since you ordered chicken ma'am, the best compliment for your wine ma'am is the white wine. For our white wine ma'am is we have the white Zinafania. Would you like it to know? We have per glass and per bottle. For our per glass is 650 and our per bottle is 5,000.
Sir, please give me 1 glass.
For your dessert ma'am, we have our banana split and fruit cake. What would you like ma'am? This is actually per slice.
Fruit cake. For my beverage, please give me lemon tea.
Lemon tea. Okay, may I repeat your order ma'am? For your appetizer, you ordered onion rings. For your soup, you ordered vegetable soup. For your salad, you ordered green salad. For your main course, you ordered the smothered chicken. For your wine ma'am is the white wine, which is the white Zinfandel wine per bottle, per glass. I mean, for the dessert is fruit cake, and for your beverage, we have the lemon tea. Did I get your order correctly ma'am? I get the menu ma'am. By the way, the food ma'am will be served shortly. As to the minutes ma'am, this is 20 minutes respectively. Okay, excuse me ma'am, enjoy your day. Then, ang sa table resetting na ka. So you will reset the table according sa iyang order. So, ang wala ipang order, lang kato nato siya. So, i-memorize nimo. Excuse me ma'am, may I reset your table according to your order. So, wala siya nag-order of steak. Wala siya nag-order of fish. Wala siya nag-order of coffee. Tama? Wala siya nag-order of red wine. Excuse me. Unya, ang lihok nito kay paspas na ito kay para dili ko. Next, kung man mo reset karon magkaon na siya. So ang inyong buhaton i-prepare na ninyo ang gyudon. Okay? So naa na mo karoy appetizer plate, naa na mo'y soup diraa for naa na mo'y soup bowl for your soup, naa na mo'y salad. Sa inyong main course karon is chicken. So kwaon nimo karon ang inyong fish. So mag-ready ka. Wine niya, na kay white wine. Okay, na kay lutuanan, na kay corkscrew, na kay ice bucket, kulangan siya o underliner para hindi magbasa. Duha ka underliner. Kung sa pay kulang nimo. Sa dessert, wala pay dessert plate for your dessert. What else? Kaya wala na biyan ulian. Then, sayahang lemon, naa siyang juice, and ready na. So, nana po kasi mong bar tray, nana po kasi mong utility tray. So, ibang mga ingredients kay naa na. So, if you are ready, naka-pre-cut na siya.
Wala lang tapos eh.
So, for the French natin, you will stand on the left side of our guest. So, asa ang left side niya? Pag siya ra isa, pwede ka sa iyang atubangan. Kani mo? Okay? Pag na siya'y kauban, sa iyang left side. Pero si Kuanjod, si French, is nandiyo ka sa iyang left side. Muna siya nga right tanan. Right mag-serve, except sa bread, kay si bread, gi-serve man siya, wala pa ang geredon. Kani mo? So this time, we will stand sa iyang atubangan jud, okay? So kung ready na ka, adto na ka sa iya, naka-chef uniform na ka. Ang iyang distance is 1 ruler. Gano man, basig masunog. Kung naa ka sa iyang left side, dili mo ang left side, dinya mataligdan magutang mo kaya camera ba? Diba? Okay, left side daw ba? Left side di man na oh. So mataligdan mo so dili na ka. Ha? So pag siya ra isa, atubangan, pwede ka na naandara pagduha sila. Okay? So atubangan ka sa guest, good evening. Good evening, ma'am. I am Mr. Ali once again, and I am now preparing for your food. We will start on your appetizer. For your appetizer, you ordered onion rings. So, ang inyong kuan, kung hindi kayo ka makamemorize, wala kang maginapantay na magdala o kuan. Diba? For your appetizer, you ordered onion rings. Okay, so slice ka dira, kay magluto ka, luto ka na. Okay, and after appetizer, sa geridon karon, during the assessment, dili siya mo pwede siya kamuton. Kuha, kung kinahanglan mo siya i-slice, kinahanglan na dyan kay fork, kinahanglan na kay mga knives dira. Bali mo, for example, i-garnish mo siya og tarong or ma-slice ka. Dili pwede nga, kay kita niya pag may magtanaw kay, butang sa ibabaw. Ano, so bawal na siya. Okay? Pag ready na ka, serve ka. So, kani French tanan ka sa right side tanan. Okay? So, right ni ma'am, excuse me ma'am, here's your onion ring for your appetizer. Enjoy your appetizer, ma'am. Okay? Next, prepare ka ng soup. Next, ma'am, is I am preparing for your soup. You ordered vegetable soup. Tama. Okay. For your vegetable soup, ma'am, of course, you have vegetables. The vegetables that we are using, ma'am, is, anak mo na, i-invest nyo dapat. Okay? Bigyan pa lang, ma'am. Okay? Pabukalan mo na ito siya. So, while nagapabukal ka dira, so doon ka sa iyaha, bus out, right ihapon. Excuse me, ma'am, Marilan, with your appetizer, ma'am. May I get the soil dishes? Pag bukan class, ayaw nyo isa-isa, ha? Kinahanglan, clip. Kaisa lang, okay? Excuse me, ma'am, your soup will be served. So, ang iyahang mga soil dishes, butang dira, then, manadaw mo soup. Excuse me, ma'am, here's your vegetable soup. Enjoy your soup, ma'am. By the way, ma'am, are you done with your bread? Thank you, your bread, ma'am. How about your juice, ma'am? Okay, thank you, ma'am. Enjoy. So, magutan na ka. Muna siya ang 3-minute check. So, every 3 minutes, kaya nagkakaon man siya, yung siya i-check kung nahuba na. So, bus out ka dira. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. I am now preparing your salad, ma'am. For your salad, you ordered garden salad. Salad din, luto na. me, ma'am. Are you done with your soup? Can I take your soup dishes na? Pag nahulot ang water, servan ko din mo siya og water. Okay? So, kung na ang salad, excuse me, ma'am, where's your garden salad, ma'am? Enjoy your salad, ma'am. Excuse me. I am now preparing your main course, ma'am. For your main course, you ordered smothered chicken. Then, prepare na po ka sa imong wine. Okay? Dapat, initiative ha. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done with your swirl dishes, ma'am?
Yes.
Ay, your salad, ma'am. May I take the swirl dishes? Pag ana, i-cross na nimo siya. Hindi na siya mataga. O, ha? Okay, I'll serve your main course, ma'am. Excuse me.
Sugab ka, madam.
Contest mo yan. Okay, this time, since dili pa man luto ang iyahang
Salad.
siya main course, so serve ko muna ang iyahang
Wine.
Okay. So, for the wine, kay tanawon din na itong tarong ha. So, waiter's napkin, check. Corkscrew, this is the waiter's best friend. Magdala ko another nga corkscrew para at least ma-use na po mo ato. Wine bucket para sa white wine. Okay, imuhang white wine bottle, imuhang mga underliner. Okay, dili mag-adto sa gera nga kulangan. Okay, so dapat prepared. Okay, so excuse me ma'am, here's your wine ma'am. Trapuhan kay basa ang wine. Kay ice man na siya, chill. Okay, bugnaw. May I present to you ma'am your wine? Okay. For your white wine, ma'am, Zena Flade. Okay, originated in Spain, ma'am, with a good vintage of 1992. Okay, the dessert taste, ma'am, is sweet rosy, ma'am. Would you like to open your wine, ma'am? Okay. So, naiuban, inapay kuan. Would you like to smell your pork, ma'am? Would you like to taste your wine, ma'am? Okay, pour your wine, ma'am. Would you like to taste, ma'am? Please. How's the taste, ma'am? Is it acceptable to your end, ma'am? May I pour another, ma'am? Per glass, ma'am. Enjoy your wine, ma'am. Next is, serve ka sa iyang main course. So, ready na iyang main course. Excuse me, where's your main course? Mother chicken. Enjoy your main course, ma'am. Excuse me. So, well, nagakaon siya sa tinuod ana, imuhang total, kaya nagakaon man siya dito total ka, kay ang iyahang dessert ana is kwaon naman lagi mo. So, na yung dessert. Iyahang i-order nga dessert kay fruitcake. So, di pa man kadra magluto. Diba? So, naana ang fruitcake. So, pabuto na lang mo siya nga mahuman. Ang buhaton nimo kay mag-compute ka, lista ka darian, sira nimo tanan nimo gi-order niya. Okay? Prepare ka sa receipt at saka sa iyahang final na bill. So, nag-total na kadira. Okay? Pag nahuman na si madam. Excuse me, ma'am, are you done with your main course, ma'am? I take the services. Kana siya, isa mo na naglimutanan. Kuha. Next, iyahang
Condiments.
Okay. How about your wine, ma'am? Would you like to have another round of your wine?
Would you like,
Okay,
ma'am?
I'll just get back to your wine.
Would you like another round? Would you like another round? Would you like one too, ma'am?
May I get your glass now? Mine? Excuse me. Excuse me, ma'am. May I clean your table now? How's the food, ma'am? Thank you so much for the positive feedback, ma'am. You deserve delicious food. Don't worry, I'll inform you. How about my service, ma'am? Ay, thank you so much, ma'am, for the positive feedback. Excuse me, ma'am.
Dugay. Sa kuan mo.
Next, dessert.
Dugay. Kaya dugay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
30 minutes siguro. Basin.
Your fruit cake. Enjoy your dessert, ma'am. Excuse me. Next, nasa order na blue lemonade na. By the way, ma'am, here's your blue lemonade, ma'am. Excuse me.
Left, right yung juice at once.
Ha?
Katong ganina.
3 din.
Kuan man to niya. It's a refreshing man to niya.
Ah.
So, right po to. So, dapat tuha inyong ang drink. So, yung gi-order ka ganina kay sa to nga na-choose ni mga ganina.
Blue lemon.
Blue
Lemon.
lemonade karon kay lemon lang na siya. Lemon tea. Yung lemon tea? Lemon tea siya. So, dapat dili ni siya. Ay, bugnaw may lemon tea. Yung classes. Iced lemon tea. So, okay na to siya.
Okay ra.
So, while nagkakaon siya sa dessert, prepare na po ka sa iyahang billing.
Billing.
Ha? Tapos, per glass lang man, so dili mo i-balot iyahang for
Wine.
souvenir. So, actually, wala na kayo i-prepare dira, paabot na lang ka for the bill na lang. Okay? So, pwede ka mo doon, dala ka o tray. Excuse me, ma'am, are you done with your desserts? How's the dessert? Oh, thank you so much,
Very
ma'am.
sweet like.
Would you like me to prepare your bill in advance?
May get your number.
How about your iced lemon tea? Okay, may I take ma'am? Excuse me.
30 minutes ko day.
30 minutes lagi.
Nagdadaan naman. Billing na.
May I present to you your bill, ma'am? Your total bill, ma'am, is... How would you like to settle, ma'am? Is it cash, credit card? We also accept cash.
Credit cards.
Credit card, may I ask your credit card, ma'am? I just want to clarify, ma'am, the expiration date of your credit card. This is, will be expiring in 2025 under the name of Miss Labus. Is that correct, ma'am? May I ask for a valid ID, ma'am? Okay. I have with me your credit card, ma'am, and your valid ID. I just come back for your receipt, ma'am. Excuse me. So, process ni mo. Makaka, ready na? Ato ka sa left. There's your credit card, ma'am, as well as your valid ID, ma'am, and your receipt. Thank you so much, ma'am, for dining with us, and looking forward to see you this next week. Ma'am, by the way, we will be celebrating with our anniversary. Would you like me to help going outside, ma'am, or you have your card with you? Okay, this way, ma'am. Okay, thank you so much, ma'am, and end of service. Okay, so that is your
French.
French service.
Service.
Okay, so, kailangan